I thank Meetings International for organizing such a timely congregation on applied microbiology and antibiotics. Over the last 2 days, we heard cutting-edge research from fundamental molecular biology to applied microbiology. Misuse of antibiotics in aquaculture to the need of stewardship on antibiotic use in clinical practice. Young Researchers Forum brought a fresh perspective on how to tackle global health emergencies and apply current knowledge of biotechnology in industrial production. In an intimate workshop today, we brainstormed our interdisciplinary ideas and approaches to reverse the tide of antimicrobial resistance. This meeting certainly created opportunities for new collaboration. I enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing you in our next Congress on Antibiotics in Tokyo.